Choosing the wrong first credit card can lead to instant denial, expensive interest, or being stuck with a fee you don't need. But the best card for 2026 isn't necessarily the one with the biggest bonus. It's the one you can actually get approved for. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best cards to start your journey safely. Subscribe if you want simple, honest credit advice without the jargon, and share this with anyone ready to open their first account. Let's start with the best overall choice for someone with no credit history at all. Best overall beginner card first is the Chase Freedom Rise. This card was specifically designed for people new to credit, and Chase states you don't need an existing history to qualify. There is no annual fee, and you earn 1.5% cash back on every purchase. That's a powerful combo. You build credit without paying a fee, and you get paid for every dollar you spend. Pro tip: having at least $250 in a Chase checking or savings account can significantly improve your approval odds. It's not a guarantee, but it gives them a reason to say yes. You can also grab a $25 statement credit just by setting up automatic payments in the first 3 months. It's my top pick, especially if you already bank with Chase. But if you don't want to switch banks, this next card offers the simplest path possible. Best simple card with no annual fee is the Capital One Platinum. Now, this card doesn't earn cash back, which might sound like a letdown. But remember, your first card has one job: to help you build a credit score without costing you money. Platinum card has no annual fee and no security deposit. Plus, Capital One lets you check if you're pre-approved before you actually apply, which protects your credit score from an unnecessary inquiry. Think of this as the no-frills starter. It's practical and reliable. But what if your credit isn't high enough yet to get a card without a deposit? That's where we look at secured cards. So, best secured card with a smaller deposit is the Capital One. Platinum Secured is built for those building or rebuilding credit. A secured card means you provide a refundable security deposit that acts as your credit limit. This protects the bank, but it also helps you prove you're responsible. Most secured cards demand $200 up front, but depending on your profile, Capital One might let you start with a deposit as low as $49 or $99 for a $200 limit. There's no annual fee here either. It's not about the rewards. It's about getting your foot in the door when other banks might say no. However, if you're a student, you might be able to skip the deposit entirely. Now, the best credit card for students and for college students is the Discover It Student Cashback. This card is the gold standard. Discover says no credit score is required to apply, and it has no annual fee and offers a massive 5% cashback in rotating categories like gas stations, grocery stores, or Amazon up to the quarterly limit once you activate them. All other purchases earn 1%. The best part is that Discover Credit Card matches all the cash back you earn at the end of your first year, and that 5% effectively becomes 10%, and it takes a little effort to track the categories, but for a student, the value is unbeatable. But if you aren't a student and still want those cashback rewards while building credit, this final card is the answer. So, the best secured cashback card is the Capital One Quicksilver Secured. This card is the best of both worlds. It earns a flat 1.5% cash back on everything you buy. And unlike the Platinum Secured we mentioned earlier, this one requires a full $200 refundable deposit. If you can afford that $200, this is the stronger choice because you're earning rewards while you build. But just remember that deposit is a safety net for the bank, not a way to pay your bill. You still have to pay your monthly statements separately to keep your credit growing. So, how to build credit correctly? Now, once you pick a card, you have to use it correctly. Here, rule number 1 is to never carry a balance thinking it helps your score. It doesn't, and it only costs you interest. Use the card for small things you can already afford and pay the full balance every single month. I highly recommend turning on automatic payments so you never accidentally miss a due date. Here, rule number 2 is you don't need to use 30% of your limit. In fact, the lower your usage, the better your score usually looks. If your limit is small and your balance gets high, just make an early payment before the statement even closes. And finally, don't apply for all 5 of these today. Pick the one that fits your current situation, use it responsibly for 6 months to a year, and watch your score climb. Now, before you forget, subscribe subscribe to the channel, and let's move to my final verdict. To recap, is that Chase Freedom Rise credit card is the best overall, but Capital One Platinum credit card is the simplest, with no deposit option. And keep in mind that Capital One Platinum secured credit card is best for low deposits. And discover it. Student credit card is the winner for college students, so share it with your college friends. And Quicksilver secured credit card is the top pick for earning rewards while you build your credit score. Always remember that your first card doesn't need to be flashy or American Express Gold card. It just needs to be the tool that gets you to those premium cards later. And another way to build credit. Before you go, what if you're not ready for a credit card, or you're having trouble getting approved? Then Credit Strong offers credit building accounts designed to help you establish a payment history. It isn't a credit card, and it doesn't work like a normal personal loan where you receive money up front. When you make your monthly payments on time, Credit Strong reports that activity to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. There's no hard credit pull to open an account, and you also receive access to a free monthly FICO score. Some account options can help you build savings while establishing credit history, but your results aren't guaranteed, and missed or late payments could hurt your credit. So only choose a payment you can comfortably afford. If you want to explore Credit Strong, I've placed my affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. If you open an eligible account through that link, I may earn a commission at no additional cost to you. Check the available plans carefully and choose only what fits your budget.